Do you wish to ask the questions that puzzled Samir and Vandana? Okay, what are the questions which can puzzle us also? Where can we find all the rules according to which the administration of the country is carried out? The country, whatever runs, okay, how are the particular things followed? How is the administration followed? Where are these rules written? Do you all know? Okay, after that, who makes those rules? Is it binding on us to follow them? Means, is it very much compulsory to follow each and every rule which is been written, okay, or which is asked to follow? Is it compulsory? So, can you tell me where are these rules written? Have any time these questions come in your mind that where are these rules? Who said that we have to follow the rules? Who has written these rules? Does these questions confuse you all anytime? So, see here. See whether you find the answers to this question in the following text. Here, in the following text, just see whether you get the answer. The meaning of constitution. See here, the meaning of constitution. Now, what is the constitution? Just all of you be attentive, listen carefully. The book in which all the provisions regarding the administration of a country are mentioned together in a systematic way is called a constitution. What is a constitution? The book in which it is a book in which all the provisions regarding the administration of a country, how our country India is going to run. Okay, what is the administration? And mentioned together in a systematic way. And these rules are mentioned in a systematic way is called a constitution. Did you got? Where are these rules written? Did you got the answer? So in the constitution, in the book, this makes the constitution a written document of the provisions related to the administration of a country. So in this book, all the written documents are there in which these all things are mentioned related to the administration of our country. Okay, means how is our parliamentary system, when are the elections held, then what are the how many members are there, this everything is mentioned in our constitution, in our book. Okay, government is established by the representatives elected by the people. Okay, now the book constitution, leave it aside. What is the government? We say it is the government's rule. Government has said government will take the decision. Who is this government? Who has decided that these are the people? Okay, who? These are the people elected by the people, elected by us. Yes, when we make when we elect these people, the government is formed. Getting all of you? So it is a bond to carry out the administration of the country as per the provision of the constitution. Means whoever is the president, prime minister, he cannot change the rule on his own. Are you all getting it? Whatever is written in the constitution in the book, he also has to follow in the same way. Yes, they can make the changes on their labels, I'm not saying they can't, they can make, but which changes which are good for the welfare of the people, which the rules which are for the people. So it is a bond, means it is very much compulsory to carry out the administration of a country as per the provisions of the constitution. Hmm? The rules and provisions in the constitution are the basic of fundamental law of the land. What? See, the rules and provision in the constitution are the basic, keep this in mind, basic and fundamental laws of the land. These are the fundamental law, basic laws and the fundamental law of the land. While making laws, the government is bound to follow the constitution. Yes, when the laws are made by the government, they have to follow the constitution. That is this okay? Is this good for the people? Is this written in the constitution? Is this for the people's welfare? They have to consider the book, they have to see the rules in the constitution, and then only they can make the laws. You all have learned about these fundamental laws, judiciary, everything in 6th standard. I hope you all remember. Okay. So, if it does not do so, then the judiciary can declare those laws null and void or unconstitutional. Okay. Means if the judiciary means what? Those who are in the, means we can say as a judge, okay, who sees what is right, what is wrong, okay, it comes under the court, judiciary court. Okay, so if they understand or if they come to know that something is not as per the constitution, they can declare the laws which are made as null and void or unconstitutional, or they can declare it that these laws are unconstitutional laws, means these are the laws which are not as per the constitution, and they can mark them as null. Understood? Means it is not very much easy that whoever thinks can make the law and follow it. No, the laws which are made, they should be as per the constitution, as per the laws written in the book, constitution book. Getting? Provisions in the constitution. Okay. The provisions in the constitution are about different things. Okay, means what, regarding what are the main topics. Okay, what can we say as the provision? Means regarding which all things the laws are mentioned in the constitution, that we will see. The provisions in the constitution are about different things. Example, see, citizenship, the rights of citizens, the relationship between citizens and the state, subjects of the laws to be made by the governments, election, restriction on the government, jurisdiction of the state, etc. So keep this in mind. What all laws are considered in the constitution? See, citizenship, okay, means the person who is living in the particular city. Okay, so how can he get that citizenship? What are the rights of the citizens? Means, for example, you should have the ration card, in that your name should be mentioned, you should have the Aadhaar card. These all are the rights of citizens. Okay, the relationship between the citizens and the state. Okay, how you can come from the another state to the different state. Then subjects of laws to be made by the government. Okay, which are the different subject of which the laws the government can make? Then election, when are the elections held, how are they held. Then restrictions on the government. Okay, yes, there are some restrictions on the government also. And jurisdiction of the state. Okay, these are some of the jurisdiction of the state, means some of the laws regarding the state, regarding the city, as same as the regarding the state. Almost all countries have accepted the principle of governance according to the constitution. Yes, everyone accepts that. Okay, what that we are going to follow whatever is according to the constitution. Yet the nature of constitution of different countries is different. Yes, yet in some of the countries, the nature, the whatever the laws are, fundamental laws are there in the constitution, they are different. They are not as the same. Okay, yet there are difference of history. Okay, what all difference are there? History, social structures, culture, tradition, etc. between the countries. Similarly, their needs and objectives also might be different. Okay, means different countries have their different laws according to many different things, according to the culture, according to the tradition, means what should be the age of the we can say what should be the age of the girl and boy, okay, when they have to get married. So this is what, this is one of the law. It comes under the culture and tradition. Okay, so for example, the every country has their different laws. Similarly, their needs and objective also might be different. Each country tries to create a constitution that is not only suited to its needs and objectives, but also is in tune with the distinct nature. Means each and every country tries to adjust with the laws of the constitution and try to make the laws according to the constitution, so that the whatever the laws are there in the nature, they will not distinct it. Okay.